TUSA's engine industry's TS1400 engine recently produced the targeted continuous power cycle. The engine will power Turkey's indigenous utility helicopter program, gökbey. Once the tests are completed, the engine with more than 1,400 horsepower will be integrated into the gökbey helicopter. TS1400 engine produced targeted power, 1,400 St. Helena pounds. The engine will provide lift power to an aerial platform that will carry humans for the first time. Former engines were used on unmanned platforms. General Manager and Chairman of the Board of Directors of TE, Professor Mahmut Faruk Aksak, said, "Our goal is to successfully pass all the tests of the TE TS1400 engine within 2023 and receive the manned flight certificate from the General Directorate of Civil Aviation." Professor Aksak stated that Alp Aviation produced gökbey's gearbox in Eskişehir, emphasizing that Alp Aviation is experienced in the production of gearboxes. Aksak said, "When the engine project of our indigenous helicopter gökbey came to us, we knocked on Alp Aviation's door for the gearbox, which is the most critical subsystem of the engine. With our engineering support, they are also a design and engineering company. They set up the team. We developed the gearbox completely original and domestically in Turkey." Pointing out that Alp Aviation manufactures the gearbox following international quality standards, Aksak said, "With the first shaft gearbox, we reached the maximum continuous power cycle of our first shaft helicopter engine. It is essential to achieve this in the first attempt with the gearbox produced for the first time. We have reached the maximum output speed of 23,000 revolutions per minute and the maximum continuous power of 1,400 horsepower. Alp Aviation undertook the production of gearboxes for 109 helicopters produced under the Sikorsky license within Turkey's utility helicopter TUHP program in Turkey. The Turboshaft engine development project was launched officially on March 8, 2017. The project has been carried out under the Presidency of Defense Industries Department of Engine and Power Transmission Systems leadership.